Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, Arlene Kikay and my apo, Sofia. Oh, ayan. Nagsuswimming kami dito sa bahay dahil mainit dito sa Pilipinas. So, time check is, what time is it now, nak? 10:26 ng umaga. So, today is Friday, April 19. Kaya ito, nagsiswimming kami ng aking apo. Ayan. Ang tagal ko rin din nakapag-video. Tara, swimming ka ta, swimming! Swimming! Oh. Nagsiswimming kami dito sa bahay. Mag-swimming kami ganyan. Tara, tara. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Let's go, let's go! Sophia, come! Sophia! Sophia! Yay! Oh, swimming ka daw. Swimming ka. Pakit mo yung kayangkay. Yun, marunong yan, eh. O, sige na. Let's go swim. Let's go swim. Come. Swimming. Oh. Swimming tayo, swimming. Swimming. Swim, swim, swim. Swimming. Tata! Oh, swimming ka na. Malambat ko na yung nakapag-video. Yan, mag-start na akong mag-create ng mag-video ka niyan. Baka kanita, may tuloyin ka na akong channel. Sayang niya din. Nakapag-sweldo na ako rin king YouTube ko. Uling king Saokyu. Uling nga lang ako pang obra kene. No work ako dito sa Pilipinas. Kailangan ko ng puhunan. So, kailangan natin diskartehan yan. Kasama ang aking apo na si Sofia. Yay! Ang aking apo na si Sofia. Sofia, say hi. Hi. Say hi. Hi. Go. Okay. We will sing. Go wheels on the bus. Go round and round. Round and round. Round and round. Kaya pumasating beosis, pero sa pipilitan kong kanta, uling king apo ko. Okay. Go, wheels on the bus, go round and round. Ay, swim ka, swim? Okay, swim. Oh, mag-swimming ka akong baby. Go, wheels on the bus, go round and round. Or through the night. Oh, through the day pala. Hindi ako marunong. Go, wheels on the bus, open and shut. Open and shut. Open and shut, go wheels on the bus, go open and shut, all through the day. Ako hindi alam. Go wheels on the bus, say I love you, I love you, I love you. Go wheels on. Okay. Yay! Go wheels on the bus. Hindi ako marunong. Diba ang master card natin? Hello? Hello? My toes, my knees. Okay, so swim. Look, mami, oh. Mami lang, oh. Oh. Swim, swim, swim. Yay, swim, swim, swim. Yay, swim, swim. Okay, okay. O, sige. Habulin mo ako. Habulin mo ako. Oh. Oh, bulin. Okay. Hindi mo mahabol si mami lang. Wee! 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 Bakit? Oh. Ayan, nakatikit na ang aking baby. What's the sound of dinosaur? Okay. Yay! Okay, abulin mo mami na. Okay. Come. Abulin mo ako. Matatakot ka. Oh, abulin ni mami la. Tatakot siya. Katakot mo. Takot siya. Oh, sige. Abulin mo si mami la. One. Okay. Ayusin natin yung swimsuit mo maganda. Okay. Oh, yeah. other toys floating, oh. And the other one under the water. Wait, what's that? Your gas stove, oh. Your gas stove. Look at your gas. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, swimming ka! Swimming, oh. Look at the camera, oh. Say hi. Say hi to my camera. Hi, hello. It's quiet now. Keep quiet. Oh, okay. It's coming. Minumit. Minumit. No! Don't put your finger in your nose. Anak ka. Lalaki yan. Kiss. Kiss mami na. Kiss. Ay! Don't do that! Kinakalikot yung ilong niya. May bulati ka ba? Okay. We will go. Oh, swimming ka, swimming. Go Wilson the bus. Go round and round. Okay. Come here. Sit here in my bag. Sit ka sa back ko. Dali. Oh, swim. Yay! Very good. Look at mami, no? Swimming. Yeah, ta. Swimming. Ano ka pala? Oh, look at mami na. Yay! Oh, swimming ka. Sis! Oh, meron na ng baby ko. Sis! Look at that. Like it's flip. What about you? Come. Come sit beside me. Come here. Oh, very good siya. Oh. You can sit. Sit down. Sit. Come. I will teach you. I will teach you how to flip. Like this. Yay! Oh, see? Know how to flip? Oh, down. By yourself. Flip. You may lie down. Like a fish. Sis? Okay. Okay, we will play this one. See? You want to see crabs? Look, there is a fish, oh. Look at it. Look. Fish, oh, fish. Wow, fish. Yeah, look. Focus. Look, sit down. Can go. Fish, oh, fish. Ooh, dito tayo. Fish. So, see the fish. Inside, oh. See, come. There's a fish inside. So, sit. Focus. Sit. Fish. Ooh, whale. Same like whale. Well, what about you? Okay, flip. Whee! Come. Wow, swimming. Wow! Ayan, marunong na siya. Dati takot siya. Ayan. Okay, swim by yourself. Oh, see? By yourself. Swim. La. Whale, no? There's a whale. Oh, look at Mamila. Biyan, look at Mamila. Woo! Mamila. Oh, what about you? Wah. Oh, yan oh. Poniting ni Mami na. Naalis na. Hey! What happened? Kumusta na sa lahat? Yan, nag-swimming kami. So, bye for now. Wait nyo ang aking next vlog. And ang aking apo. Say bye-bye. Bye!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye! I'm Sophia. Look, oh. Oh, look at. Oh, swimming. Swimming yun. Pag-swimming mo kan. Say. Ayan. So, bye for now. See you on my next vlog. Say bye-bye, Sophia. Bye-bye.